Hi, this is Charlie with Andy Support, and we're going to show you how to copy files to and from the Andy system. This is for Andy version 41 and above. There's a couple of changes, but it is a little bit easier. I'll show you the universal way to do it here. First thing we need to do is find a folder that we need to copy to, which is on any Windows computer. You can use Win key R, Windows key R, and then I'm going to type in C:\/ here. Now, it'll bring up a window here. You need to scroll down, find your users folder, and then find your name here in this list, which my name is Charlie, of course, so here we go. And this is the folder I'm looking for over here. This is Andy folder. Now, from here, this is the folder that we will be able to see inside the system. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new folder in here, and I'm going to call it shared, all in caps, so it's easy to identify. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to do send to desktop create shortcut. Now we have a shortcut for it here. The easy way to find this folder, if you have your user folder on your desktop, is to just click there, and your Andy folder is right here. So there's the share folder we created. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to Andy. We have it all booted up, and we're going to select ES File Explorer. This is our file manipulation tool. This is the first time it runs, so it's just giving me some information. I'll click through here. Now what we're going to notice is we're at the /SD card folder. You can see here at the top. Okay, but what we want to look for right there on the SD card folder where ES File Explorer brings you is the folder shared. We're going to hit that, and then we're going to go to Andy. And now you'll notice this shared folder all in caps here. And now we're here, and there's of course nothing there. I'm going to double click this folder here. Of course this folder's empty. I have an app right here, History Eraser, that I'm going to just drop in that folder. And now once you go back to Andy and refresh, you'll see that file is now available. And this could be any kind of files, whether it's if you want put JPEGs in there to send out over Instagram, you can do that. All of this is accessible now right off the SD card folder. Again, that is /SD card shared Andy, and there's the shared folder that I created in caps. Now to sideload, there's a couple of ways you can do it. Of course, I copied the app here. I could click on it and it would install from here. Or with Andy, I can simply just double click the file, and it will go ahead and install it to Andy. See, that's successful. So really double click you can do, or as I showed, you can click on the APK right here in Android and it will install as well. So that will handle your side loads. Now if you have a game that has what's known as OB game data, what you need to do is go back, you see me clicking up here at the top, to the /SD card folder, and we're going to go to the Android folder, and then right here we need to create a folder called OBB, O-B-B. And then in the OB folder, this is where you will paste whatever game data that you have, com.whatever.game. All of that data goes right in here. To make a copy of a file in and out of the system, I'll show you how to do that here. I'm going to go to back to /shared Andy shared, and I'm just going to copy this file around. You long press on it, select copy. Now I'm back working up here at the top. This brings me back down, and for whatever reason I'll paste it in here just to show you that, but normally this would be a folder. You paste, it takes a few seconds to clear up, and the file will be available in that folder. There it is. So normally this would be all of your OB game data and would take several minutes to copy. Just doing this to show you how it works. I'm going to delete this by long pressing on it. and select delete down here because it doesn't need to be in that folder. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Copying files to and from. This can be music, this can be images, this can be game data, this can be apps to sideload, whatever you want. All can go through that Andy shared folder in that much more convenient place and /SD card /shared for you. So hopefully this will work out. All the text of this will be updated in our FAQs. So take care and enjoy Andy.